Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In the last video, you saw the slime on the Hot Wheels. Now we are going to see slime on the house. So I made this house by my own. First it was a pizza box. Now I made it into a house with a swimming pool and a garage with a car. And it has a sliding door. And it has a door which can open. Whoa. It can open. Alright. And I have some Ooshies. Alright. So these guys are going inside the house. Let's go in. Roar! Roar! Now let's dump the slime on the garage's roof. There. There. And where should we put this blue slime? Let's put it in the swimming pool. Dump it in. And this green slime should go in the grass. Abracadabra! Abracadabra! There. Now let's put the yellow slime. Where should we put it? Let's put it in the entrance. Whoa. There. Now let's put the black slime. Let's put it in the road. Wow. Alright. Then the superheroes will come and see this world of slimy. Come on, outside. Hello? Anyone here? Anyone? There. And another one. Where's the biggest lion? Whoa. There. What? Whoa. There's slime on the road, and there's a slime on the entrance, and there's a slime on the grass. Ooh, this is nice. There's slime in the swimming pool. Slime on the entrance. Slime on the road. Roar! Roar, roar, roar! That means a slime on the garage roof. Ooh, I like it. Yum, 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 yum. Alright. Let's clean it up. Everyone, clean it. We are just playing. Fine, I'll clean it. Alright. Where's the sliding door? There it is. Let's clean it up. Clean, clean, Let's put it in this barrel. Red slime in red barrel. Ooh, fancy this. And 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Its head is here. And leg. There's a hole over here. Let's take a print. Beep, beep, beep. Whoa. Let's take it and put it in the barrel. Whoa. Oh, it's cold. There. Black slime and black barrel. And yellow slime. Ooh. Come on. Come on out. It's not coming. Yellow slime and yellow barrel. What does that sound? And green slime. It's in the grass. I can't take it. It's stuck. I have to take it with my hand. Ooh, cold. Whoa. Alright. Green slime on green barrel. Looks like dark green and light green barrel. Next is blue. It's in the swimming pool with some rocks. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There. Ooh, wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Let's put this blue slime in the blue barrel. Alright. And that's it. I have an idea. Dump away! Not dump that side, dump here. Or dump here. There we go. Let's dump the black slime over here with the red slime and the green slime. Let's put the yellow slime. Let's put it in the chimney. Hopefully it don't mix. And the blue one. Looks like purple one. Where should we put this? Let's put it here in this roof. Wow! La 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 la. What? Go to your home. Right now, Bluey. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's stuck. There we go. There. Mini Cooper. Backside. Wait, I'll keep it front. Can you hear that sound? It's a back pulling car. Let me show you. We pull it back. Bye bye. Oh no. The slime is going down and the chimney is broken. Woo! Didn't mix. Alright, yellow and the yellow. Green and the green. Blue and the blue. I like that sound. black in the black. And I don't know where's red. Ready? Let's search it. Ready? Ready? Where are you? Let's see back. There it is. Wobbly wobbly. Black in the black, red in the red, green in the green, yellow in the yellow, blue in the blue. Alright, let's close it. Alright guys, go and take rest in your home. 1, 2, 3, wrong side, 4, 5. Good night. And let's do some wobbly. Block, 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 block. I like the sound. Okay guys, bye. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.